So I just learned that the GS350 uses the same turn signal bulbs as the Chevy Cruze. Mine are also LEDs. So in this video, I'm doing a bulb swap. Turn signal bulb is right here. Here's the LED. I kept the original bulbs because I'm selling this car. I forgot how big the difference was. I don't know why I didn't take it before, but here's the after. Even though it's a luxury car, it's surprisingly easier because I just have to pull down these two tabs and then the service panel comes off. The bulb's right there. Same on this side. Comparison. Before. And here's after. I think this looks pretty good.